Welcome back to SK Autos, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're a fan of JDM legends, you're in for a treat because today, we're talking about the return of an icon, the all-new next-generation 2025 Mazda RX-7. Yes, it's finally happening. Mazda has officially unveiled the new RX-7, bringing back the legendary nameplate with a modern twist while staying true to its rotary heritage. Mazda has been teasing enthusiasts for years, but now, the wait is over. The new RX-7 is designed to capture the spirit of its predecessors while embracing cutting-edge technology and performance. The exterior is a perfect blend of retro inspiration and futuristic styling. Sleek LED headlights, a low-slung body, aggressive curves, and a signature rotary badge remind us of the classic RX-7, but with a modern aerodynamic touch. The front fascia features a large grille, sharp air intakes, and a sculpted hood that hints at the power underneath. Under the hood, Mazda has done the unthinkable. The next general RX-7 brings back the rotary engine, but this time, it's paired with hybrid technology. The new 1.6L twin-rotor rotary engine is assisted by an electric motor, delivering a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and lower emissions. Mazda claims this setup produces around 400 horsepower, making it the most powerful RX-7 ever built. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a newly developed 6-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission with paddle shifters. Performance-wise, the new RX-7 is built for pure driving pleasure. With a lightweight chassis, 50/50 weight distribution, and a finely tuned suspension, it promises sharp handling and incredible cornering abilities. Mazda's kinematic posture control, first introduced in the MX-5, has been refined for the RX-7, ensuring maximum stability and grip. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising through winding roads, this car is designed to keep the driver engaged. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with performance. A digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution infotainment screen, and premium materials give it a modern feel while maintaining the simplicity that enthusiasts love. The seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, whether you're daily driving or pushing it to the limits. And yes, Mazda has even included a special rotary-inspired start button as a tribute to its heritage. Mazda hasn't just built a car, they've revived a legend. The 2025 RX-7 is expected to be available in limited numbers, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. Pricing is rumored to start around $60,000, placing it in direct competition with sports cars like the Toyota Supra and Nissan Z. But with its rotary hybrid powertrain and Mazda's signature driving dynamics, the RX-7 is in a league of its own. What do you think about the return of the RX-7? Is it everything you hoped for? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from SK Autos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.